Is it time to buy or sell Rigetti Computing stock? In this video, we will explore Rigetti Computing in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, and now we are ready to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and activate the notification bell to stay informed about our latest analyses. You certainly do not want to miss any critical updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please keep in mind that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be interpreted as financial advice. Since the 2nd of May 2025, our system has ranked Rigetti Computing as a hold/accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.15. Let us examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 15.33% since we first suggested purchasing Rigetti Computing, which was 21 days ago. This results in an average return of 0.73% per day since it was classified as hold/accumulate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases within this trend are anticipated. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 40% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from about 14% to 65%. Considering the longer-term outlook, our 12-month analysis shows a projected change of over 120%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from around 57% to 364% over the coming year. In current terms, this would suggest a future price between $19.24 and $56.93. Our latest daily update for Rigetti Computing includes the headline: Weaker technical forecast for Rigetti Computing Incorporated as stock downgraded to hold/accumulate. The Rigetti Computing stock price gained 1.24% on the last trading day, which was Monday, the 2nd of June 2025, rising from $12.11 to $12.26. During that day, the stock fluctuated 5.73%, with a low of $11.82 and a high of $12.50. The price has been variable during this period, with a 3.46% gain over the last 2 weeks. Volume fell on the last day by 24 million shares, with a total of 29 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $359.64 million. It is important to consider that falling volume on rising prices can indicate divergence and may serve as an early warning of potential changes in the coming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $21.42. while the lowest was 66 cents. Currently, the price is 42.76% or $9.16 below the 52-week high of $21.42, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Rigetti Computing, with its stock price soaring over 1,249% in the last year, is capturing significant attention as it pioneers advancements in quantum computing. The recent surge in investor interest is fueled by exciting technological breakthroughs that promise to transform the sector. Notably, Rigetti's founder, Chad Rigetti, has launched a new quantum firm, Sigildry, designed to enhance AI capabilities, signaling ongoing innovation within the company. Additionally, comparisons with other quantum hardware competitors, such as D-Wave and IBM, highlight Rigetti's potential for agility and innovation in a rapidly evolving market. The excitement surrounding these developments could bolster Rigetti's stock price in the short term, as market enthusiasm for quantum technologies continues to grow. In the long term, as quantum computing is projected to unlock trillions in value by the year 2040, Rigetti's strong positioning within this emerging field may attract further investments, enhancing its growth prospects and stabilizing its market valuation. As attention to quantum computing increases, Rigetti is well positioned to benefit from both speculative trading in the tech sector and the strategic advancements it is making in AI and quantum applications. Analyst ratings. On Thursday, the 6th of March, 2025, it was reported that Alliance Global Partners assigned RGTI a buy rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 14th of January, 2025, it was noted that B. Riley also rated RGTI as a buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of December, 2024, Craig Hollum provided RGTI with a buy rating and an initialize action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, Needham rated RGTI a buy with a hold action. On Thursday, the 25th of July, 2024, B. Riley again rated RGTI as a buy with an initialize action. Analysts have assigned Rigetti Computing stock a general strong sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also rated the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Incorporated currently holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, this results in an overall buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. If the stock continues to gain, it may encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $13.39. Conversely, if the stock declines, it may find support from the long-term average at around $10.55. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will indicate a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Although the stock prices increased during the last trading session, trading volume decreased. This discrepancy between volume and price may serve as an early warning that requires close attention. There have also been some negative signals, which may affect the stock's short-term trajectory. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and since then, the stock has decreased by 13.60%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal was noted 5 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was identified 156 days ago. Short-term Moving Average, a sell signal was observed 4 days ago. Long-term Moving Average, a buy signal was detected 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we can see short moving average, a buy signal appeared 30 days ago. The long-term moving average, a sell signal was indicated 15 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 7 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Rigetti Computing. Rigetti Computing Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $11.92. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction may be anticipated when this support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily fluctuations, indicating high volatility. With a notably large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is classified as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $0.678 between its high and low, which is equivalent to 5.73%. In the last week, the daily average volatility has been 8.62%. Before we explore the potential trading levels for Rigetti Computing, let's briefly discuss some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric assesses a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is facing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can experience downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, if a company consistently shows negative PE ratios, it may suggest ongoing profitability issues and an increased risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 6th of August, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Rigetti Computing. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Rigetti Computing is at $13.86. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. Conversely, on the downside, Rigetti Computing faces its first support level at $11.92. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Rigetti Computing from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 21st of May, 2025, Revis David executed an insider sale of 44,815 shares of common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K made an insider purchase of 1 million shares of common stock. On the same day, Kulkarni Subodh K also executed an insider sale of 1 million shares of employee stock options, which provide the right to buy. Additionally, on the 20th of May, 2025, Kulkarni Subodh K conducted another insider sale of 1 million shares of common stock. On the 19th of May, 2025, Bertelsen Jeffrey A executed an insider purchase of 218,750 shares of common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of negative 19.988. In total, insiders have purchased 8,413,781 shares and sold 7,645,588 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $11.59, reflecting a decrease of 5.44%. This stock experiences very high daily fluctuations, which introduces significant risk. A sell signal has been generated from a pivot top identified 4 days ago. Is Rigetti Computing stock a good buy? Rigetti Computing Inc. shows several positive indicators. However, these are not sufficient for us to classify it as a buy candidate. At its current level, it should be viewed as a hold candidate, suggesting that investors may consider holding or accumulating shares while waiting for further developments. Due to some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have adjusted our recommendation for this stock from a buy to a hold or accumulate status since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the previous trading day, our systems indicate that the current price appears to be overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, June 3rd, we anticipate that Rigetti Computing will open lower by approximately 6.58 cents, starting at $12.19. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.